Welcome to Autodesk Civil 3D Beyond the Basics for Transportation. At IMAGINiT Technologies, we offer a live online course that introduces each trainee to the essentials needed to help launch them into the more advanced world of Civil 3D modeling. With the completion of our Beyond the Basics for Transportation course, clients will have obtained knowledge of the tools, methods, and processes needed to confidently use the software in a typical workday. Completion of the first day will enable students to work with the more advanced features of alignments and profiles, review transportation subassemblies, and work with more advanced subassembly options such as conditionals. Students will also be able to create and edit corridor models. IMAGINiT's live online courses are interactive with an in-person instructor who walks students through the different topics discussed throughout the class. To help each student familiarize themselves with the routine tools that they will require in their daily workflow, each attendee will access Civil 3D through our unique online lab and work through practical exercises developed to assist each trainee in gaining a thorough understanding of the software. Topics and exercises have been developed through our team to help students utilize the advanced transportation tools to reach a higher level of productivity using the Autodesk Civil 3D software. As we progress through the 2 days of class, each student will discover how to create alignments from objects and from scratch using various alignment tools, evaluate design criteria along the roadway, establish curb returns for intersections using connected alignments, create profiles using various profile tools, review profile commands enhanced over the last few versions, create, modify, and manage assemblies, work with tool palettes to store and share assemblies, use conditional subassemblies to enhance the corridor design, use offsets, widening, and targets to modify the corridor model. Create advanced corridor models, including cul-de-sacs, intersections, and roundabouts. Edit the corridor model using the section editor. Work with super elevation, and more. Each day, our well-experienced and knowledgeable instructors take students through how Civil 3D functions best, sparking ideas for implementation and design while giving employees the confidence to transition into the software. This course provides the knowledge to fulfill daily work needs and alleviate the fear that comes with transitioning into new methods. Upon completion of our course, technicians, designers, and managers alike will gain the confidence to design in Autodesk Civil 3D using advanced techniques, cutting down the time companies spend on tackling the burdensome task of onboarding new employees and/or understanding how new software can and will be implemented into their daily workflow. IMAGINiT's Autodesk Civil 3D Beyond the Basics for Transportation course equips students with the capabilities they need to move forward in today's technologically challenging environment, familiarizing them with the latest and greatest in three-dimensional software.